You want to learn English, but it feels impossible, like solving a Rubik's Cube in the dark. Maybe you've tried apps, books, even watching Friends without subtitles and still felt lost. Here's the truth. The most powerful tool isn't an app or a book. It's your brain. Today, we're not just talking grammar. We're unlocking the science behind how your brain learns language. Your brain is a supercomputer already wired for language. You learned your first language by absorbing it, not memorizing lists. As adults, we forget this. We cram, stress, and treat English like a chore. But your brain wants to play, connect, and understand the why behind the what. Let's ditch the struggle and work with your brain, not against it. We'll explore the neuroscience of language. No medical textbooks, just the fun version. You'll see why listening to a podcast beats memorizing vocabulary lists. We'll break down why making mistakes is actually a sign your brain is learning. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every time you listen or speak, even if you stumble, you're rewiring your brain for fluency. This is biology, not magic. Your brain is already on your team, waiting for the right instructions. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's unlock your mind's cheat codes. The journey to better English starts now. Your brain is ready for it. Let's get started. Welcome to the science of learning English. Where does language live in your brain? Meet Broca and Wernicke, the Batman and Robin of language. Broca's area handles speech production, moving your mouth to form words. Wernicke's area is your comprehension department, turning sounds into meaning. They're connected by a neural hotline, working together in milliseconds. To speak fluently, you need both listening trains, Wernicke, speaking trains, Broca. You can't just read and listen, you have to practice speaking too. It's like working out, you need a balanced routine. Listen, speak, read, and write to strengthen both areas. That's how you build a fast, automatic language team in your brain. Train both, and you'll see real progress. Most people learn passively, listening, highlighting, but never really using the language. That's like watching a cooking show and expecting to become a chef. Passive learning is easy, but your brain forgets what it doesn't use. Active learning is the game changer. Test yourself with flashcards. This is active recall, forcing your brain to retrieve information. That struggle to remember? It's your brain saying, this matters. Use spaced repetition. Review new words after a day, then 3 days, then a week. Apps like Anki or Memrise help you review just before you forget, making memories stick. Make learning active. After a movie, summarize the plot out loud. Read an article, write down 3 key takeaways. Listen to a podcast. Try shadowing. Repeat what you hear in real time. It feels weird, but it's a workout for your speaking muscles. Turn learning into a game. Challenge your brain to use and connect information. That's how you build real, lasting knowledge. Don't just consume, create, recall, and connect. That's how you stop being a couch potato learner. Make your brain work for you. That's how you truly learn. If you remember one thing, remember this. Listen, a lot. Comprehensible input is key messages you mostly understand, just above your level. As a child, you listened for years before speaking. Your brain soaked up patterns and sounds. The same applies now. Feed your brain understandable English. Listen to podcasts, kids shows, or YouTube channels you enjoy. If you understand 80 to 95%, you're in the sweet spot. Too hard, your brain tunes out. Just right, your brain gets excited and learns. Fill your life with English sounds during your commute, cooking, or working out. Create an immersion environment, even if you're not in an English-speaking country. The more you listen, the more you train your brain for fluency. Your ears are the gateway to your brain. Open them wide. Make English the soundtrack of your life. That's how you build understanding. Listening is great, but speaking is where most people freeze. Fear of mistakes, awkward silences, or sounding silly, it's normal. But the only way to get better at speaking is to actually speak. Your brain learns best from mistakes. Error correction rewires your brain for next time. Every mistake is a data point, not a failure. Embrace awkwardness, it means you're learning. Start small. Talk to yourself. Narrate your day in English. Try shadowing. Repeat after native speakers to build muscle memory. When ready, use language exchange apps or find a tutor for low-pressure practice. Speak with purpose. Use new vocabulary or grammar you've just learned. The combination of active recall and feedback is powerful. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for communication. Be brave. Open your mouth and let your brain do its job. Mistakes are proof you're learning. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Practice out loud, even alone. Use every opportunity to talk. Your brain will thank you. Communication is the goal. Speak up and grow. Forget memorizing word lists. Your brain thinks in connections, not isolated facts. A word in isolation is like a single Lego brick. In context, it's part of a structure. Learn words in sentences. Run means more than just move fast. It's run for president, my nose is running, and more. Context gives words meaning and helps you remember them. Real-world materials, news, movies, songs, provide rich context. Your brain links new words to stories, emotions, and situations. Stop collecting words, start collecting sentences. When you find a new word, write down the whole sentence. Review sentences, not just words. This is sentence mining. It teaches vocabulary and grammar together. Build a network of knowledge, not a list. Be a detective. Hunt for words in their natural habitat. Learn the stories words tell. That's how you build a flexible, useful vocabulary. Your brain loves habits. They save energy and make learning automatic. The secret isn't marathon study sessions, it's consistency. Short daily practice beats cramming every time. 15 minutes a day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Make it easy. Set a tiny goal like reviewing one flashcard or listening to 30 seconds of English. Tiny actions spark bigger habits. Link your English habit to something you already do after coffee. Review a flashcard. While brushing your teeth, listen to a podcast. This is habit stacking, piggybacking on routines you already have. The old habit triggers the new one, making it automatic. Consistency builds momentum. Soon, English practice becomes part of who you are. Make it a routine, not a chore. That's how you make progress stick. Learning isn't just logic. Emotion supercharges memory. The amygdala and hippocampus work together. Emotional moments are more memorable. Connect English to things you love, your hobbies, passions, or favorite shows. When you care, your brain releases dopamine, making learning stick. Make English part of your identity. I am a global citizen. I am a movie lover. When learning is personal, motivation is strong. Share real conversations, laughter, and stories with others. Emotional connections make words unforgettable. Let curiosity and passion guide your learning. Engage your heart, not just your head. That's how you make English part of you. We've explored your brain's language superpowers. Now let's put it all together. Here's your action plan every day. Touch all 4 skills. Listen, speak, read, write, even for a few minutes. Listen to something you enjoy, shadow it, read about your interests, and write a short journal entry. Make learning active, use spaced repetition, sentence mining, and active recall. Don't just memorize, connect words to context and stories. Challenge your brain. A little struggle means growth. Make it personal. Learn about your passions, watch your favorite actors, and connect English to your life. Build the habit. Anchor your practice to a daily routine. Consistency beats perfection. Your brain is a garden. Cultivate it with input, practice, context, and emotion. You're already designed for this. Trust your brain, use its strengths, grow every day. You've got the tools. Now go out there and prove it. Your English journey starts now.